out to do a POTA, even after I learned I'm rogue. I've gone rogue. I almost decided to call it quits, but instead I turned to Getty for some advice. Sing it, Getty. That's right, boys and girls. I've chosen free will and I'm going rogue again. I'm going to try to record it for you. I'm going to try real hard to do like 10 minutes of POTA madness again. 73. Oh man, check it out. Oh God, am I glad to be home. Got the rig next to me. And let me shut this off. It was glare frickin' ice out there. Ice so slippery that you couldn't even stand up. Literally, you could not stand up outside of the truck. I made it over the first hill of many. A big hill, and that was all she wrote. I got stuck at the bottom, and only a freak of luck and a little bit of wizardly driving, it got me out of there. The chances were 1 in a million, yet here I am. Jesus, a POTA bust, POTA fail by Wirehead. A POTA we will go. A POTA we will go. Hi-ho, it was scary though. Come on. Hi-ho, it was scary though. Really? Hi-ho, it was scary though. My activation blows.